Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today's video is a little bit different. I found a great deal, and so I wanted to show a set of parts that I got from a deal hunt. I know a lot of the other YouTubers do these. I know that a lot of people like to see it. Now this particular one I actually got off of Let Go. The guy basically provided two parts for about $120. Technically it was $115 plus 10 for travel because the guy had to drive a good bit and I couldn't. So $25 got me a brand new 500 watt thermal take 80 plus white label power supply. So the smart units tend to be the ketchup and mustard pack cables, which don't really look that great, but 500 watts for 25 bucks, brand new, still sealed in the package, is a fantastic deal. So that was a part of it. And then the guy originally wanted $112.50, I think it was, for this card, which is still, as it is, a great price, but an Asus, now it is a single fan, but it's an Asus GTX 1060 3 gigabyte. But still, for 90 bucks, not a bad price. So a GTX 1060 of any kind, whether it's 3 gigs or 6 gigs, for under $100 is always a great deal. And so this one is the Asus 1060 3 gig card. Now I will have to do a little bit of cleaning. It's got some dust on it here. I'm going to run a benchmark on it, strip it down, clean it up, and then I'm going to reapply thermal paste and see if that helps with anything as far as thermals and with the performance. But overall, not a bad card for a project system that I'll be working on soon. And so we'll hopefully have a video of either a build or the finish of a build running this awesome little card. And now this is not part of the same deal or anything, but this is a RX 570 8 gigabyte card that I was able to obtain for about $100, and this being an 8 gig version instead of 4 gig allows it to perform at the higher resolutions and not suffer too badly. It basically is a little bit better than a 1050 Ti, but not quite as good as a 1060. So it's kind of in the middle. It should perform similarly to the 1060 3 gigabyte model, but I'll see about doing a teardown of this card and doing a thermal paste application for everyone to see how to clean it up and do a thermal paste application to an RX 470 from Gigabyte. And I'll also do a video on the 1060 3 gigabyte from Asus showing a teardown and a reapplication of the thermal paste on it. And yeah, sorry for a little bit of a disconnect here, but my battery in the camcorder died. So anyway, I believe I covered everything in the first part, but I do need to let everyone know I appreciate you viewing this video. As always, like the video down below if you enjoyed the content, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the items, the deal that I got, and as always, any questions that you have for me or the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.